Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets use multiple accounts, but we're only using one because you guys are beginners and you want to try to build up trust with the system first. You know, just try it out, see how it works out for you. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting this particular product, the $25 business. It's because it's affiliate system, which is recurring commissions. That's right guys, you make money every single month somebody stays in the system. Like for example, you guys click on the link in the description below and decide you want to try the $25 business. I'll get $20 of that. You stay in the system, I get another $20 next month. In fact, recurring commissions at this point in time, I make way more money with recurring commissions right now than I do with sales, because people are staying in the system when I get them in it. Alright, so anyway guys, let me go and show you my results here. Don't believe results until people refresh the page, guys. Always remember that. Alright, so we're gonna refresh the page. Alright guys, we are now at that's a rebuild. Alright guys, that's a rebuild because it's $100. Somebody who's in the system tried the $100 thing and they liked it, so they stayed in the system. The 2 weeks $100 thing, that's the 2-week product there. You get paid $100 every month with that. That's what these two are as well. These are rebuilds, not new sales, but rebuilds from trying that out for 2 weeks and then deciding they want to stay with it. So anyway guys, what we're gonna do now. Alright, so we what we're gonna do now is we're gonna tell you guys exactly how to do this. Alright, so first off, there's a link in the description that says step 1. Now that's gonna be the $25 business, and once you click on that, it should take you to this page here. What this page here basically do is explain the business, how much money you can make, all that good stuff. The instant $20 and $100 monthly commissions that I'm getting right now, you guys could be getting too. So yeah, you get that, and once you find, hey, I want in, it'll take you to a video where it explains exactly what's going on. About a minute video explaining what you're buying here, so you won't be tricked or anything like that. You don't want to trick nobody or make people rush through it. Alright guys, really think about it. You want to try this out. Commit, you know what I mean? So anyway, once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, you'll get to a page that look like this, right? It's only $25 to try this out. And alright guys, so and what I want to explain here is this product here. This is the HBA Premium. It basically teaches you how to promote the product in all kinds of ways. It's constantly updated, and a bunch of stuff is constantly added to it every single day. This is probably this is my favorite part of the system personally. It teaches you how to use ads and stuff, in every kind of way and get sales. I haven't used it because I'm showing you guys. I want to show you guys it's a very simple method in making money. And ads and stuff can be quite complicated if you don't know what you're doing. So this product is $125 every month, but if you click on my link in the description, you can get it for 2 free weeks. You can get it for 2 weeks free. Try it out. And yeah, and then it's $125 a month, guys. And that's the $100 commissions you keep seeing in my account. I got like multiple people paying $100 a month for this. Now understand something. Alright guys, let's say you sign up for this program for the affiliate system, so to speak. You have to own the product to get commissions for it. So if you don't own the product, you would not receive a commission for it. For example, let's say you buy the $25 business, right? And you do not get this. Alright, you do not get the free trial and decide you don't want that, right? Somebody under you, let's say you get a sale, they decide they want the $25 business and this right here. Now when they pay the $25, you will get $20, but when they pay the $125 for this, you will not get that $100. So for my personal opinion, you should get both and get them while you know, especially since you can get 14 days free with this, so you won't even have to pay this anytime soon. So yeah, I advise getting both right now while you can get it for free. Instead of trying to get it later when you won't get it for free, you know, for 2 weeks. And at least learn everything and try to learn everything in the system within the 2 weeks you get it for free or something, right? And stay in it. But anyway, guys, once you do that, you go get to a page that looks something like this. What this is essentially gonna do is teach you. I ain't mean to click on that. I'm sorry. Basically, what you want to do on this page, just focus on up here, and you want to click on affiliate zone. I don't know why I thought my mouse was up here, but anyway, you click on affiliate zone. Once you click on affiliate zone, you can log in, sign up for the affiliate program here. Now you sign in, very short process. You do all this. By the way, this video's all this. I'm just speeding through it. But once you do that, you log into your sound card. Once you log into your sound card, it's gonna take you to this page here, guys. Once you get to this page here, you got your affiliate links and you got your where you're gonna get paid at, and so all that good stuff. Once you set all that up. But anyway, yeah, you got your affiliate link now. Now that's what we did all that for, to get the affiliate link for this system. So now you got the affiliate link. You want to click on step 2 in my links there that say my lead gen secrets. Now you click on that, you log in. Well, I mean, first, you know, if you want to watch it, basically the dude just gonna tell you what my lead gen secrets is. You get 100 new leads every single day, and you get to email them every single day within 24 hours. So every 24 hours you get to email them. I do mine every morning around 5 o'clock. That's why I make these. That's when I make these videos. So I say I might as well make videos out of it to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, you log into this. Well, you put in your email right here first, and then make your account and all that good stuff. But I'm finna log in real quick. Right. All right, do it again. All right, so you log in like this, right? And so my leads, master email swipes. By the way, do not purchase master email swipe. There are a ton of emails that I give you, and I give you for free, and you can just copy paste. Well, you don't copy paste. You can just pause the video and copy it, type it in yourself. They work really well for me. As you can see, I'm getting tons of clicks for my leads. I mean, for my videos. I mean, my emails here. Getting a ton of them. This one got like 300. So yeah, especially the ones I personally wrote myself. Well, I wrote most of them myself. I copied some of them. This one was copied. This one I wrote myself. This one was copied. This one was copied. This one I wrote myself. If you see like day 9 or like a number in the front, I wrote it myself. So yeah, man, just follow that along and you'll get there. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to mailing system. You want to go to mailing system here, guys. Click all your leads. You probably only have 100 leads. Don't worry about that. You still get sales. I've gotten sales. I've gotten sales on accounts that are way smaller than this one. It just depends on the people you send the email to. That's just really what it is. But so we're gonna go to we're gonna load up another video here. I mean, email here. And the cool thing is about this system is that you have saved emails that you have in the system already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use one of my emails here. We're gonna pick 3. We're gonna pick 400. We're gonna pick 400 here. And we're just gonna get one of my emails here. Second week, making money, get it in the first. Okay, we're just gonna copy that. Get it in. By the way, guys, you can pause this and do the same thing. And just copy what I'm pasting here or type it in. Whatever you want to do. You can pause the video at any moment and do the same thing I'm doing here, guys. So what we're gonna do here is gonna essentially just delete all of this. Don't need it. Alright, so we're gonna copy this. We're just gonna grab my email here that I wrote myself and just copy that over to the mailing system here and just control B. Just a minute better on that. I more than doubled my money. Let's bold that. Bold this. Bold this. Bold that. And isolate bold. Isolate. Alright, so that's all there is to it, right? And what I want to do is just get my my link here. I'm just gonna copy my link, boom, delete this, hit it here, hit my link here, because I wrote these emails for another system. But if you've been on my channel long enough, last year around this time I was promoting another system that I thought was really good until I found this one. I'm like been sticking to this one because this is doing so well. All right, guys, so anyway, that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to hit perfect timing. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You copy the email. Make sure you guys have a clear point to pause the video and see everything I wrote here. Okay. I'm just making sure you guys have an easy chance at pausing the video here so you can copy it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple. But anyway, that's all that is. Make sure to preview and make sure your link works, guys. I'm gonna check mine real quick. Yep, mine works. Alright, so that's all it takes. Perfect timing, send an email around time people check their emails. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple process. You do this every morning, you'll be good, you'll be fine, you'll be Gucci, all that good stuff. Alright, guys. So like I stated before, links are in the description below. If you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.